Hey guys, David got a video in today. So while I was tidying all my display room, which is right there, so I thought maybe I'll show you how to clean some of these, because as you can see there's some dust on this that was under black. So yeah, as you can see it's a bit dusty, but don't worry, I'll show you how to clean this up. So all you need is, hold on, let me check. Sorry for the mess here, so I'll just film like this. Okay, so you just take this paintbrush, you clean it off like usual. I will get rid of the dirt inside around over there. You can here, I use some blue tack. I forgot already, so we'll open up this part, open up the butt, see how it turns out. There, it's not dusty anymore. It's not dusty. Much better, right? Much better, right? Much better. Oh my god, this is pretty easy to do. Anyone can do this. If you have any dusty display toys or whatever, you can use this. Some people did use some other stuff like this microfiber cloth, so it's pretty good. You can get this. Some of these I got from DIY, maybe Mr. Dollar, Nico, whatever stores that you can get for. Okay, I got another anime figure. This is from Gundam 00, Setsunase. Okay, same goes. Get rid of the dirt, get rid of everything, and there. Much better, right? Anyone can do this. Anyone can possibly do this without anything fancy. When I said that any brush would do, I bet some of you guys were actually going to ask me what kind of brush that I use. This specific brush that I usually bought from Minso, maybe Mr. Dollar or something. I had this for a long time, so quite useful. And there, that is how you get the shiny edges. How clean would that be? I still need to do the plastic cleaner, but whatever. So far, looks good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh. So here's my figure for Kamen Rider Wizard. Pretty simple. Just get rid of the dirt, everything. So yeah. Okay. Okay. This is how the way we usually looks. Alright, there you go. Much better. Okay. Same goes on the inside. Soft plastic. So it's very good. Much better. Much better. Oh my god. Now that's much pretty. That's a lot better. Yes. Alright. That is how you get clean. So it's a very dusty thing. So for this one, I either gonna be using duct tape that will get rid of the dirt, or hold on, sorry about the mess. This one's this dust roll that I got. So you just roll it like that. That will get rid of the dust. So yeah, that. Oh no, shit! I should probably do this without the camera. Oh my god. That will get rid of the dust. There. That is how I usually do. I got this from Daiso, possibly around 5 ringgit. So it's very helpful. You should get this. It will help, trust me.